We're living on a planet right now that is deeply degraded. We're using about 1.5 billion hectares for agriculture. We've already abandoned about 2 billion hectares because it's no longer productive. The whole Fertile Crescent where agriculture started, so much of those land areas are now desert. The actual tonnage of plant biomass on the planet has been reduced by 50%. We know that biodiversity numbers, 73% of all species are in decline. 10,000 years ago, 95% of all animal biomass was wild animals, 5% was humans and our domesticates. It's now 95% are humans and our domesticated species. 5% are wild. Marine fish biomass is down by 60 to 80%, much of that in the last 100 years. We're living on a planet that is operating at far less of its productive capacity. 50% is probably a realistic rounded number. In our park system in Boulder, we have 700 acres of parks. Average tree canopy on our parks is probably less than 15%. If we increase the tree canopy to in the neighborhood of 35 to 40% canopy, and we introduced a whole series of shrub layers and other forb and grass layers that are more synergistic together, we would probably increase the photosynthetic capture in that site by 70 or 80%, which is all basically in the service of creating more life. And then the other thing we would be doing is actually decreasing the amount of water we need, probably by about 2 or 3 million gallons a year to keep it alive. And we would have a whole lot more shade, water absorption, and biodiversity that we're going to need to have a landscape that's going to protect and shelter us from the extremes that we're living into.